markets here. We are in Asia. This is knee-deep China, Kunming. Just one of the main markets. We got a friend named Pon here. Maybe we can say hi. Everyone's wheeling and dealing. Beep beep. Hello, Pon. We okay? Good. How are you today? You okay? Good. And your name is Pon? Pon. Okay. Pon. This is Pon's area, and she sells fruits and vegetables. She's nice. She talked to me out on her motorbike. And I was getting some coconuts, and Pon came and started talking to me about all the locals in the local area. But this is knee-deep Asia, knee-deep China. Give you an idea. Cup chai. Beep beep. Cup chai. Cup chai. You can see. Sawadi. 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 Supply. Good. And I guess this is just a little short video just to say hi to supply. Sawadi. Chili. Spicy, hot. Hon lai. Hon lai. Chili. Look at this chili, folks. Look at that. Wonderful chili. After a while, the locals start to get to know you. And that's kind of cool. We got the crepes. Oh, excuse me. This is we're a little more specific here because we are vegetarians. So, it's coffee. Then we got the donuts, the pastries. Supply. Oh, yeah. These are the sweet donuts. I think they beat Dunkin' Donuts. What do you guys think? Yeah. Sawadi. Okay, the locals. Local people. There you go. I don't like getting too in people's faces, Always be soft, always be respectful. The key to actually traveling in life is humility. It's amazing what humility gets us. Be humble in life. When I was younger, I learned my lesson. I was a bit of an arrogant, cocky guy, very arrogant. Very cocky. I was very cocky. I was very arrogant throughout my life in everything, in my careers, my jobs. Little bit of an arrogant, cocky guy. Ooh. Don't mess with me. Somebody. And I learned that humility. Somebody, Prabhu. Somebody. I learned that humility, being humble, gets you a far better off in life. Sawadi. Yeah, she's got her beautiful baby. Sawadi. Okay, Sawadi. They want to be in the video, and that's okay. Humility. Being humble. Oh, it opens the doors all over the world, including your work. Sawadi. Including work, including relationships, social life, all kind of relationships, including work life, career, family, friends. Be humble. Be a humble person. Humility. Vedic philosophy teaches us to be humble. And it's also just such a key aspect of life, being humble. I mean, who do we are to think that we're bigger or better than people? That's that's complete ego, false ego, fake ego. Oh, I'm from United States of America. I'm better than you. No, that's a bunch of nonsense. You'd be surprised. People are happy all over the world, wherever they are. Sometimes money can be the root of all evils. Absolutely. I learned that the hard way. Enough of the preaching, folks. We're going to wrap up this video in markets of Asia, Southeast Asia, knee-deep China, Lewis. Getting a really good view of the people. Look at the foods, local foods, people eating. Yep, just the local people working. And I don't like to bother too many people. We got the eggplant. God, who doesn't love eggplant? It's one of my favorites. Eggplant. There's so much you can do. Now, this is thin eggplant. I like the longer, thicker ones. Sawadi, supply. Eggplant, how you say in Lao? Lao?
Lao.
No, Lao, what is this? Eggplant. Name? Name. No, yeah, you got to watch out. A lot of these people, they, even if you try to express yourself, some get it and some don't. And there you go. Enjoy the market. Enjoy the market. Sometimes you have to, I just literally, like show, my fingers. And you got to express yourself almost like children, right? But sometimes they'll get it and sometimes pick it up and sometimes they won't. Just local markets here. Just trying to give you a better idea of the local people. Oh. But it's wonderful because I've been here so long. I haven't seen very few foreigners, tourists. Oh, isn't that great? I spent so much time in Thailand where there's foreigners everywhere and tourists. I've got friends, colleagues all over the world, but it's nice to get out with the local people. Look at that. Now, this looks like some sort of a lizard. Look at that. Some sort of a lizard. Not exactly vegetarian, is it? Fish. Like some sort of a squirrel. They eat a lot of squirrels here. They eat a lot of squirrels. Sawadee. We got some fish. And fish. This is the dry fish. Sawadee. Sawadee. Sometimes you try to get an expression. Sometimes you get it and sometimes you don't, right? I think anyone can at least make a facial expression. Doesn't really, it's not so important in the language, but even a facial expression, right? I guess that's the thing about, like, when I'm in South America and Central America, when I speak fluent Spanish, I can kind of resonate with the language with people. And even in facial expressions, you can get away with so much, especially in South America. Asia's a different thing, though. Remember, they got more of the poker faces. The more of the poker face, the serious face. So sometimes you'll get some expressions or not. It's kind of a country and a society where they express themselves less, right? Less emotions. Less emotions, less facial expressions. I'm going to call this, maybe we should call this the poker face. Less emotions and less emotions, less expressions, less facial expressions. That's a huge difference between Asia, Southeast Asia, and South America, Latin American countries, and Central American countries. Latin people, Sawadee. Latin people, Sawadee. Okay. Cup jai. There, see, we got one there. Latin people and Latinos and Hispanics are very expressive, very passionate. It's all about expressions and they're very passionate. So you could literally just look at somebody's face and almost know what they're thinking. But we're in Asia and Southeast Asia, so everywhere's different. You have to go with where you're at. Yeah, that's a big difference between Asia and Southeast Asia. South American countries, Latin American countries, much more expressive. I guess they're more passionate, more emotional. There's a word. Colombians, South Americans, Latinos, they're much more emotional people. You can see the emotion in their face. You almost know what they're saying or what they're thinking just by looking at their emotions, their facial expressions. With Asians and Southeast Asians, you got the poker face. It is what it is, though, right? You just gotta, as they say in America, go with the flow.